Hi, and welcome to the Good Side of Crypto. My name is Cheryl Spangler. I hope you guys enjoy this new OVRLand animation intro because it was inspired by the community. And we will be holding a virtual party on this virtual experience. Anyway, let's talk about how to actually do Map2Earn through OVRLand. I'm going to go on site on a piece of land that I own, and we're going to map a hex together. Okay, so this is OVR.AI, and if you haven't signed up to get early access on the Map2Earn, you want to click on blog, scroll down to Map2Earn, click on that blog entry, scroll all the way down, and start Map2Earn Alpha access. Click that link. So now you know how to sign up if you haven't already. Once you do sign up, you're going to receive an email that looks like this. Test OVR Map2Earn Alpha version. Hello, we're happy to inform you that you have been approved to test OVR Map2Earn Alpha version. So in order to do it, they tell you the steps, but we're going to go ahead and do it live on my phone on site. I'm going to bring up my OVR app. Now, if you've been accepted into the OVR Map2Earn program, when you look at the bottom of your screen, well, one, your avatar, but next you have messaging, and then the third one is the hex option, and the one to the far right is the square. And in that, if you've been accepted into Map2Earn, you will see the Map2Earn icon on the top. If you click on that icon, it will give you a description of how Map2Earn works. So I'm at the area that I currently own a hexagon in OVR world. And so it says, get to the area you want to map, which I'm at that, and set the floor and manually adjust your position and orientation to make them as accurate as possible. What we're doing is we're choosing the floor so that it's an accurate depiction of sizing in the world. After you begin mapping, move slowly within the area of the land you have chosen to map. A warning will appear. If you move too fast, keep your phone in portrait mode without mapping and try not to tilt horizontally. You can tilt the phone vertically, blah, blah, blah. Basically, don't move your smartphone. Try to minimize both coverage and score. Let's just do it. Let's map. Click Let's Map. So first we're going to do, okay, so where we're at right now is we're actually right in front of the Rappahannock River, which is a historic path that is a 3.2 mile path around Fredericksburg City. Now there are historic landmarks and statues and various things throughout this entire path, and I was going to be purchasing this entire path, but this is the starting point, so let's set the position to start. Okay, move your smartphone. Move the map to set correctly. Let's just see what it does here. Okay, let's just say set position. And then it says start mapping. Now you can see the purple line is my hex. You see that? What you're doing is you're mapping your entire hex. So that purple line is actually the hex. Okay, that's pretty cool. And you can see the coverage and the scoring. Now granted, you might say, well, that's just a path, but this is the entrance to a historic path that leads to a historic railroad path that views the historic Rappahannock River in historic Fredericksburg. So this is not just a path. Oh, it says move slower. I get that. And I have to navigate people. Let's just see here a second. Let me just see. You can see the score and the coverage is going up. See the purple line where it ends. I'm trying to cover the entire hexagon here. Oh, move slower. So you can't be in a rush. And you can't have a dog or animal with you that's pulling on you. You got to keep your phone still. And it would be also nice if it was like a nice day like today. You can see once you start mapping inside one hex, it actually stops at that purple line.
Look up.
You can see I'm only like half through the coverage. Okay, so I'm about to upload, and you'll notice that it says that I'm only 55.47% complete. So you're gonna have to do majority of the hex land, and then it asks me to explain why my score is lower than expected. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the fact that it's kind of like in the woods and on a cliff. So I can't really walk that area, and we'll see if they accept that. But when you are complete entering your explanation, then step 3 is you click on My Mappings. Step 4 is you upload it. And then you will be notified on whether it's accepted as an NFT. It will show up as an NFT you own, and you may be able to start earning revenue on that NFT.
The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it